In this video, we'll be changing the spark plug on a Stihl MS170 or MS180 chainsaw. The only tool you will need is the spark plug wrench that comes with your machine. Start by moving the run lever to the run position. This makes it easier to remove the top cover. Pull off the connector boot from your spark plug. Use the supplied wrench to loosen and remove the old plug. Check the gap on the new plug and set to manufacturer specs. For this saw, it is 20 thousandths of an inch or 0.5 millimeter. Install the new plug and tighten carefully. You should feel the washer crush slightly as you tighten. Replace the spark plug boot and the top cover. And remember to set your run lever back to the off position. Hipa has a full line of parts and accessories for your small machine, including all-in-one repair and maintenance kits. Visit us at hipastore.com.